Welcome to GetHIPAAcheck.com. This platform is made for solo healthcare providers who want a simple, fast, and clear way to stay compliant. Here you can choose from three plans: Starter, Basic, and Pro. If you want the full checklist and the downloadable PDF report, just select Basic or Pro. Let's walk through it. This checklist is built specifically for healthcare providers. Tap Yes, and the PayPal window will open. You can sign in with your PayPal email or mobile number or pay directly with your debit or credit card. After the payment is complete, PayPal will send you an email like this. Inside the email, you'll see your profile ID. Just enter your profile ID, continue, and you're in. Now you can access your checklist. Thank you for using GetHIPAAcheck. Let's keep your practice protected and stress-free.